What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover everything Web3 and crypto related. Any potential projects, any projects that have, some hype behind it, some type of, future ahead. We're going to be checking it out on the channel. Could be altcoins, could be meme coins. We don't discriminate. We're going to check it out. In this video, we're going to be checking out Metaverse. Before we dive into it, guys, always remember none of this is investment or financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Metaverse is the one-stop DeFi hub. Metaverse is a community-driven DeFi integrated business where income generated through our services is shared with token holders. Metaverse includes multi-chain pools, DEX aggregator, DAO, and NFT market. So they already have working utilities, which we love to see. The app is loading for a bit, so let's go through the rest of the website while the app loads. So they already have 8,000 plus holders, which is great wallet distribution, 162,000 staked, and the market valuation is 819,000 USD in market cap. This is my type of entry right here. When it's when a project is at a $1 million market cap, I like to get in. That's my entry. And as you guys can see, man, let's go to the daily real quick. Okay, hold on. Yeah, so let's go to the daily real quick. The project launched. It's way down from its all-time highs. It's been out since the last bull market around August 2021. And right now on the 1 hour, it seems to be picking up some steam. Seems to be making a bit of a comeback on the 1 hour, right? 2x up from the bottom, sitting at around 1 million market cap. So 10 to 20x from here, highly possible, right? That's not that's not anything too crazy. So 16 to 30, 40 million dollars in market cap. I saw meme coins doing that in the last bull cycle like it was nothing, okay? So that's not, that's not something you could rule out. The 10 to 20x on this project, highly possible. Metaverse protocol is a protocol that facilitates cost-efficient and secure atomic transactions by utilizing a wide range of protocols. Multi-chain liquidity, they have a DEX, they have nodes that you could use, MetaTrigger, auto compounding vaults for higher yields, and MetaDAO for governance, right? How it works: users share the revenue, they distribute it through the nodes, and they everyone benefits from revenue distributed to more users. So it's the user, the node, the MetaDAO, and then all of the funds generated gets distributed to the user, and the cycle repeats itself. One-stop financial service, truly decentralized, multi-chain, so it's on different blockchains, which is great, and it is community driven. They have their roadmap right here. I would love to see an update for 2023 to 2024 on the roadmap, guys. So team, if you're looking at this, a roadmap update would be very nice to see. Where we going, where we are going, the vision. The vision is to reach people around the world to leverage on DeFi as a means to generate passive income. Honestly, DeFi hasn't been fully fleshed out for people that don't have a lot of money, okay? We could take a look at like LSDs, liquid staking derivatives with Lido, and staked ETH, ST but that's still like for people that require that have a lot of funds to generate that. I would like to see DeFi available for people that don't have that much and can still, earn some passive income and make, enough to at least pay a bill or two from DeFi. So Metaverse could be that project that does that. And right here, they have backers as well. QLB Echo Chain, Token Pocket, they are listed on Mexi, and DexGuru, Naybox, I think I've heard of that before. So super bullish that they have partners and backers, 35k followers on Twitter. This is a utility project, guys, so it does have use case. It has a lot more liquidity, but again, when it comes to crypto, even the best utility projects, can get outshined by meme coins with a ton of hype. We saw what happened with Pepe going to $1 billion in market cap, while there's such great utility projects that, you know, are just chilling, right? That are, you know, trying to get that attention. But eventually it's gonna get to the point where true projects with utility, with that community, with that with some type of usage, people are using said project, shine, right? Those projects will shine eventually. So right here we have a thread from Metafinance, and they are still active on Twitter. Not a ton of engagement from the community, however, so that's a little critique on my side, but the team is still active. They just put out a tweet three to 4 days ago, and so the team is still developing and building. Right here we have the app MetaDex. I have to connect my wallet to see everything, but you know, it's a pretty straightforward user interface with the DEX, Meta Trigger, the pool, the nodes, Meta ID, bullish, okay, hidden identity, so you could have, you know, have a bit of privacy there. And this is the app right here, guys. So pretty nice stuff from Metafinance. If you hold Metafinance, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Everything Metafinance and myself will be in the description. Let me know what other projects you guys would like me to check out, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.